In this video, we are going to learn when to use the word I. Each time you will have to read sentences. They are in pairs. You have to decide whether you can write or use I in place of the blank. Pause the video, read both the sentences in your mind, and then you can immediately check your answer. So, let's start. First sentence. Read in your mind. Can you replace the blank with I? Let's check. My name is Yash. I am a boy. Let's go to the next sentence. Read it in your mind. Yes, you can use I here. My name is Ria. I am a girl. My name is Dave. I am happy. My name is Ali. I am 12 years old. My name is Anu. I am small. My name is Sonu. I am eating. My name is Sam. I am playing. You can also mute the video. Keep it playing. Instead of my voice, you can try reading. Yes, let's go to the next sentence. My name is Amit. I am drinking milk. My name is Dia. I can jump. My name is Raj. I go to school. You can see almost all sentences. The blanks can be filled with the word I. So here also we are learning different examples of sentences where you can use the word I. My name is Om. I am small. My name is Karan. I am happy. My name is Sita. I am funny. My name is Rohan. I can hop. My name is Neha. I can dance. My name is Arjun. I have a ball. My name is Tina. I have a doll. My name is Gopal. I like apples. My name is Meera. I like milk. My name is Ansh. I can run. With this, we come to the end of the video. And here we have learned the magic word I. When I talk about myself, the word I use is always I. So shout it loud 3 times. I, I.